Hello guys, welcome to the Corsicana Weather Center today, and I got some really bad news for any people who are an EAS fan, who lives in the Palestine area. Your NOAA weather radio is down, including Corsicana and Stephenville, I believe. Yep, Stephenville. These are all in Texas, by the way. So I'm gonna go directly into Palestine real fast, and so let me just show you for the proof. So here it is. KWN 34. Hold on. Let me try it again. There you go. KWN 34 here. It's all signaling against. Now you can't even get that now. It's out of service, so it's down. Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and yeah. Peace.